Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get thousands of free diamonds in Mergical. First, open your browser and go to buffedgameplay.com. Once you're there, search for Mergical. Next, open the post, scroll down and tap this button. Now paste your Mergical ID and select the platform you're playing on. Choose the number of diamonds you want. If too many people are using the tool at once, you might be asked to complete a quick verification. Now, let's return to the game and see if the gems have arrived. Look at that! I now have over 100,000 diamonds. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.